Hi there. We from Klieverik are world leader in industrial rotary thermal processing equipment. We mainly focus on technical textiles, non-woven, carpet, digital disalimation transfer and direct printing. With more than 40 years of experience, we design, manufacture, install and maintain innovative industrial machinery. If you would like to see which solutions Klieverik has for you, keep watching.
We are in Klieverik in Oldenzaal. Klieverik is a producer of thermoprocessing equipment. Their belt calenders and lines are used to produce printed textile for the fashion and advertising, and to bond non-wovens for roads, dikes and houses. This technology is also used to laminate and coat all kinds of substrates for cars and composites, and to fuse carpets to get a recyclable and green product. This solution are running the whole day, and that's why a very reliable machine is needed, including very good international support and service.
We focus on two markets. One is the market of transfer printing, so that can be the local printing shop, that can be the constructors of booths, this can be for the fashion industry. The other market is more technical, suppliers of material to the automotive industry or house construction. Actually, for anyone who wants to combine two or more textile layers into one product. The customer should choose Klieverik because of its equipment we offer, but also we're able to deliver him a tailor-made machine. We base our machines on modules, but also have the ability to, with some engineering, and what we cannot supply, we will outsource and deliver him a turnkey solution. Besides that, we build robust and reliable equipment. What we offer the client really starts before we make any offer, and that means making trials in our technicum with the customer materials in his presses. And actually with that, we deliver him a proof of concept. And if that is okay, then actually we make the offer and we make the machine, we do the installation and the training on his site. And after the training, we're able to give him parts and technical services to really be a partner for him for the rest of his life.
So this is transfer printing. It's a paper that is printed and a textile. Together they go to the calender. So by heat, temperature and pressure, the ink from the paper will go directly to the textile. Lamination is actually two products together. It could be a foam with a textile. In this case, it's for car seats, but it could also be for decorative fabrics like curtains or whatever. And then, of course, also blackouts. Blackouts are roller blinds. There's no light coming through, and it's used for in houses. In this case, I will show you lamination of a car seat, two substrates together with a thermoplastic adhesive. This thermoplastic adhesive melts at a certain temperature. The second substrate will go on top of it. The drum is hot, the belt will give constant pressure, and with the speeds I go in the test machine, and then we will get the right products. So the thermoplastic adhesive has been warmed up. Stick to both products, let it cool down a little bit, and then you will get the perfect